we've decided to move on from Junee, although we had seen everything that we wanted to see in Junee, so that was lovely anyway. So now we're going to head towards Narrandera, but probably continue on to Hay. So we're just now driving into the town of KOALA, and a lot bigger than I thought.
Nice town.
Yeah, it is. Again, beautiful old buildings, aren't they? But this one seems like a lot older, doesn't it? All the buildings look like they're in really original condition. Not actually coming in this direction or coming through KOALA, but we thought we'd come for a quick detour and drive up and have a look. It's a lovely town. A lot of these towns have got their information centres inside of museums, don't they? They're museums and information centres together.
Old cannons and stuff in this park.
Oh wow.
Such a modern one.
Oh, there is too, yeah. What's this truck here? The clock tower there. It's lost its hands.
Look down there.
And the clock face on this side was out of whack.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, the pub being restored over there. It's getting massive renovations. So it's the new Narrandera Information and Tourist Centre. And then just over here is the Tiger Moth Memorial. So we'll have a look over here. So the Narrandera No. 8 Elementary Flying Training School Tiger Moth Memorial from 1940 to 1945. That's the sign there. And we'll just go in and have a look. Wow. In great condition. Bit of a reflection there on the camera, so sorry about that, but some great photos there, some great history. Very cold and windy outside today.
I think all of us were very fortunate to have had that experience in that area. It was a lovely part of the country. In the riverine, Narrandera was a great town, still is, and getting better every day. They were a wonderful group of people, very generous, very hospitable, very tolerant of the wild and very were running around their township at the weekend.
The propeller. Different models of planes. Some great artwork up there. Another propeller at the top. And Dave's just signing the visitors book.
Under the Empire training scheme, the United Kingdom was to provide 22,000 vehicles per year, Australia 11,000, Canada 14,000.
So that was the Tiger Moth Museum. So lovely new visitor centre at Narrandera. Lots of artwork. Aboriginal artwork. And take two, these lovely ladies.
Take two.
Very helpful. Lots of good information, very informative. We'll be able to go visit some places we didn't even know about, so look forward to that.
Hey guys, so just wanted to show you where we're staying in Narrandera. We are staying at the showground. So
Narrandera Show Society.
that's the sign, and that's the showground. So this is gate 3. This is the entrance to Narrandera Showground.
Is the gate closest to the school? Is the main entry?
That's the cost per night there. And then there's actually only 4 vans here at the moment, and we're the only motorhome. But off the distance there you can see the brick toilet block, which has showers, and you actually need a code to get into the showers, which is good. And there's actually a dump site on site here too, which is pretty good to have one that close. So it's just down there, hopefully you can see it, the blue lid. There's a sign there that says it's down there. But yeah, there's plenty of open space here, so yeah, it's not bad. Anyway, we'll catch you later. We're just going to look for koalas this morning. We're at Narrandera, and this is a koala sanctuary. We're going to be walking along, yeah, looking for koalas. So if we see any, we'll take a film and show you. So hopefully we'll see some koalas in the wild.
Yeah, I can't wait. I've actually never seen koalas in the wild before, only in zoos and wildlife parks, so I'm really looking forward to it. And apparently 90% of the time you get to see koalas, so really looking forward to this.
Yeah, Lake Talbot Water Park, I think it's called, somewhere around here anyway. Anyway, we'll go for a walk, and if we see something we'll show you. Well, we'll just walk along this koala sanctuary track, and we've found our first koala, so I'm just going to spin you around and see if we can zoom in.
I actually feel a little bit emotional. It's the first time I've seen one. It's so beautiful.
Hard to see, but he is there, so hopefully when we get back to caravan or the motorhome, we'll have a look
and zoom in. And I've got a photo on my camera that I can put up.
So this is the start of the koala track. We've just seen a koala not long ago, but yeah, this is the Lake Talbot, I think it's called. So it's a water park. So anyway, we're just going along this track and see if we can see some more koalas.
Beautiful spot. Dave looking for our koalas. It's like looking for Where's Wally, but without the red and white striped shirt. So even more difficult.
That's a water park over there. Swimming pool. Water slides for the kids. Big water slide up on the hill there. Yeah, what a place this would be in summer, eh? Pretty nice. And it's just across the road from the koala sanctuary, which we're walking on along koala track now, looking for koalas.
Found one. If you come through here, look, right at the very top of that tree. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get it in the footage, but if you look at the white gum through there, it's the highest, very highest point. And it's just quite a big one too, just sitting right at the top there.
Just a ball of fluff in the tree.
Yeah. He doesn't want to be found, but we found him. I'll try and zoom in with the camera.
Just found another one. Up there sleeping. You can see him, he's looking around. Well, I've just found our third koala. It's just sitting up there in the tree. Just looking around. Seen these bears in the wild. Never done that before, always been at zoos, but
One eye open and one shut. He's not impressed that way. He's on the move, he's trying to get higher. He wasn't impressed that we were filming him, I don't think. He's just hanging. Oh, here he goes. Lost him in the branches there, just up there. Oh, you're on fire, Dom.
Hey guys, we're just coming up to the end of the track, the koala track. So far we've actually seen 4 koalas. And we got footage of one that actually moved for us.
Yeah.
Had a bit of a scratch.
Decided to get a bit higher in the tree so that people couldn't see him.
Yeah, so it's been quite amazing to see these animals in the wild. So anyway, we're just coming to the end of this track, and apparently there's more koalas down here. I don't know if we'll see them, but you know, I'll show you.
There's a beautiful little bridge down here as well, a little walk across.
there's a footbridge there, and so apparently just up on the right here there's
more sightings.
Yeah, potentially more sightings of koalas. So fingers crossed we might see our 5th and 6th, but just to see one was good. So to actually see 4 was amazing. We'll just see what else we can find.
See what these signs say up here as well.
So this track's gone right along this creek bed or river. Very nice walk.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So if you ever get a chance to come and check it out, definitely worth it.
Lots of birds and wildlife, but just one thing I'd say is take your time, because there's been people walking this track that have said they haven't seen anything, and but we've been going really slow, and probably book in for a neck massage after it.
Yeah, you did get a sore neck. But that was today. The people would walk the track before us and said they didn't see any koalas, and we've seen 4. So
this is the Rocky Waterholes Bridge. So that gives you a little bit of a map there, and
you can pause it on the video if you want to read that.
yeah.
There's a bit of a close-up of the bridge. Looks in pretty good nick. And there's some more information on the waterhole. So it's been a popular spot over the years. So they've made this out of Australian made steel from Port Kembla up near Wollongong. So that's further upstream. The path continues up there, and then that's back where we came from. So we will have another look around here, see if we can see some more koalas. If we do, we'll show you. There's Danny just walking back across the bridge.
It's so beautiful, isn't it? Definitely well worth the walk. And thank you to the ladies at the Narrandera Visitor Centre, because we wouldn't have even known this was here.
We weren't even going to stay here, and so glad we did.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, there's another one up in that tree. Not a bad size, all curled up. Oh, just shook his head for us. And again. So hopefully you can see that in the video. And now he's just snuggled back down again. So that's koala number 5 for today.
At the moment it counts as 2 weeks. and one from a bystander who told us where one was. So this path actually goes for quite a long way. Not really sure where it goes, but we're going to just walk down a little bit and see if we can see any more, because this is a good spot for sighting them. And then we're going to walk back up through the wetlands. There's a track just back up there through those wetlands there, and we're going to walk up through there.
This is the end of the koala walk. So yeah, we end up seeing 5 koalas in total, which was pretty good. Yeah, it's the end of the walk up there with Danny. Yeah, so it was good though. Definitely recommend it. So we've just done an 8k walk looking for koalas at the koala track, and I guess because we're walking slow, it actually took us 3 hours. But
Well worth it though.
yeah, if you don't walk slow, you're not going to see koalas. So we walk slow, and because you're looking up all the time, you get a sore neck. So
But we got 11,000 steps in.
yeah, 11,000 steps, and it's lunchtime. So we're now walking into town. We're going to have a look and see what's in there, and maybe get a bite to eat and a beverage of some sort. So yeah, well, again, if we see anything interesting, we'll show you. Catch up later. Good morning, guys. We're taking off from Narrandera today, and we're heading out to Hay. We think it's, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hour drive. So, but I have to say, Narrandera was very nice.
Yeah.
I think the showground's probably a little bit overpriced for the amenities, but the town itself definitely worth stopping in. And you know, we had a look at the koala sanctuary and things like that, but that was amazing, and we've got some footage on that, so we'll show you that.
Yep.
But for now, we're getting back on the road and heading to our next destination. So we'll
And definitely worth a visit to the Tourist Information Centre.
yes, the ladies were very helpful, and
Yeah.
we weren't even planning to stay here until we spoke to them, and then we
Ended up staying 2 nights.
Yeah, we stayed 2 nights. We got to see 5 koalas in the wild. It was just amazing.
Yeah. So definitely call in and see them, because they also have knowledge of small free camps that we didn't even know about. And she guided us down there as well. So we chose not to stay there this time, but it did look like a beautiful spot directly opposite the koala sanctuary.
Yeah. So anyway, like I said, we're getting back on the road, and we'll check back in later. We'll catch you on the road somewhere.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. And we hope to see you somewhere out on the road.